how to zoom in and zoom out with the mouse scroll wheel button, and with the keyboard also I will show you. Now before mouse I will show you shortcut keys from the keyboard. Now if you press Ctrl plus and then plus button, you will see it is zooming out, zooming in, and if you press Ctrl plus minus button from the keyboard, and it will zoom out. Now the other way is from the mouse. If you want to move with the scroll wheel button, first of all you need to go to your edit button, go to preferences, and then general, and in general you will see tools option. And now from here you will see, maybe you have selected this one, but what you need to do, you need to click on with the scroll wheel, zoom with scroll wheel, and after that whenever you zoom in and zoom out, use with the scroll wheel button. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo YouTube channel.